Welcome to DotnetMaster. So, guys, I'm going to announce one good news for of all the final year students. So, guys, I'm planning to internship program for the final year student, for the even degree students, BTech students, any graduate who is doing the final year students. They can also enroll this internship opportunity. Okay, so this is very a unique way I'm designing this internship, this course. It's definitely going to be help you out for the placements. Okay, so and also this internship is going to be add value to your profile. Okay, so what are the major skills I'm focusing? One language, so that's one language. Okay, so I'm going to be focused on the one language on C#. Okay, so I'm going to be teach you the basics about the C#. Okay, and the next thing, oops concepts I'm going to be add you. Okay, so this second skill, so C#, oops concept, and SQL server. Okay, so basics of the C#, oops concept, and SQL server. Okay, these three skills I'm going to be add you. Okay, so by combining these three skills, I'm designing one internship program. Okay, so this internship program duration is just hardly for 15 days. Okay, and 15 days we are going to be focusing on learning, and parallelly also we are going to be do the one live project. Okay, live project, we are going to be work on the project. Okay, so whoever going to be attend this internship, live internship program. Okay, so I am going to be provide you the certificate. Okay, certificate I'm going to be provide you, and also I'm going to be showcase your profile in LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to be highlight your profile in LinkedIn. It's going to be add value to your profile. Okay, so this is the very best opportunity for the final year student who completed who is going to be completed even the 2024 pass out student also. They can enroll 15 days only the program, guys, and very fees is very minimal. I'm charging just the fees is 999. Okay, this is only the fees. Okay, and again I'm repeating, guys, very minimal charges, only 15 days program. This is the very best opportunity, I can say. Low price, and you are getting the three basic skills. You will get idea, and this definitely these skills are going to be add value to your profile. Only just hardly 1,000 rupees, you are going to be get the lot of value to your profile. 15 days program, live project, certifications, what else you want. Okay, if you have the skills in your resume, definitely it's going to be help you out. Okay, so who is going to be interested, so please join this internship program. Just, guys, don't think about the just 1,000 rupees. Okay, it's it's adding like I'm saying, I'm repeating, you are going to be get the knowledge about the more than 20K. I'm damn sure. Okay, you are going to be get one language, C#, oops concept, and SQL server. This three, by using this these three skills, we are going to be work on the one project. Okay, and this is the best opportunity for the final year students who is writing the exams. Once they done exams, immediately join, and only this duration is only 15 days, guys. So every day you have 1 hour session. I'm going to be explaining you about the skills, and parallelly I'm going to be explaining you about the project, what exactly the project you need to do. Okay. Okay, so in 15 days you are learning the skills, parallelly you're doing the project. Okay, so once you done the project, once you complete your internship program, I will provide you the certificate, and I'm going to be highlight your profile in LinkedIn profile, guys. So this is the very best opportunity. So whoever the students are interested, please enroll your seat. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and all the best for the students who is at who is going to be write the final year exams for their exams. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much, guys.